नो ऑर्डर, ठीक है ना सर? आई एम सॉरी, आई थॉट यू वर आस्किंग, आई एम सॉरी, मैं पूरा सवाल आपका नहीं सुना था, आई एम सॉरी सर. सर, मे आई रीड द क्वेश्चन सर? Questions: whether the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party which had not contested the elections on its party platform. In other words, under Articles 51, 6D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution, the foundational constitutional basis for the allocation of such reserved seats was the total number of general seats of a parliamentary political party in the election and not the contestation or votes obtained in the election. This is my principal argument before your lordship, which I will explain. Number 2, whether the election program dated 15/12/2023 issued in pursuant to Section 104 Election Act 2017 and Rules 92-93 Election Rules 2017 did not apply to a parliamentary political party which did not contest the elections. In other words, the aforementioned sections 104 and Rule 92-93 require a different election schedule for a parliamentary political party which only secured general seats on the basis of independents joining it after the elections. Any other interpretation of independents joining it after the elections, any other interpretation of the aforementioned section 104 and rules 92-93 would render such provisions in conflict with Article 51, 6D, D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution.
Okay, I just want to interrupt for a second.
Yes.
You were asked just now whether any order has been passed in the petitions or the applications filed by the other parties with respect to the seats, reserved seats,
yes.
And you said no order has been passed.
No order has been.
But they were heard along with this.
Recalling the independents.
They have allowed their petitions. They have said that they are partially allowed. They have allowed it, so they have passed an order.
No, I'm saying they've not passed any order on the prayer that the independents joining the petitioners should be recalled. They've not passed any order. That was also specific prayer.
तो उसके बाद ही उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी डिक्लेयर किया ना नोटिफिकेशन में उनको
जी
एसआईसी को तो बाद में तो एलोकेट कर
जी उससे पहले भी डिक्लेयर किया था उसके बाद भी डिक्लेयर
ऑर्डर में ये नहीं है कि द इंडिपेंडेंट्स कैन नॉट जॉइन और कुड नॉट जॉइन एसआईसी
नहीं
ऐसा नहीं है ऑर्डर में उनकी प्रेयर हो सकती है बट देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर में नहीं जी बिल्कुल सही बिल्कुल सही. Number 3, whether any political party could be allocated reserved seats disproportionate to their representation based on the total number of general seats secured by them. Number 4, whether there is constitutional absence or silence about a situation in which there are leftover reserved seats which cannot be allocated to any party either because of disentitlement or disproportionality. If so, how can this be resolved? So these are the...
Can I just ask a few clarifications?
Ji.
In one, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In 2, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In 3, you mentioned political party. And in 4, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the 3 terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the 2 terms?
Yes, in one of the provisions, 63A, sir.
So I know why you use two terms differently.
Yes, because...
because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no because. Ji. Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
जी, जी.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law we have to be very precise.
ठीक है.
So please, should I delete the word political
जी,
party?
आप कर दें, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
No, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी, आप कर दें.
Okay.
This is
So
only
there
for
is no term parliamentary political party in the constitution.
जी.
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
जी.
And please refer to the two terms where they've been used in the
Yes,
constitution.
63
ठीक.
A.
This is parliamentary party.
जी. Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party,
What does this mean, parliamentary party, as opposed to a political party?
you can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one,
जी.
but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but
No,
we did not.
after the elections, 8th of February को आप क्या थे?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independent
Yes,
joined,
yes.
you became a parliamentary party.
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
जी.
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
सर वो आपको बता देते.
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी.
सर अभी बता देता हूँ. I'll just tell.
A lot will flow from that.
I don't think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and your head may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think
So
anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the
You
answer.
don't know the head of your own political
No,
party?
my lord, I don't have the name right now.
You are a petitioner.
No,
Sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
पार्लियामेंट्री हेड असेंबली में कौन है वो पूछ
सर वो अभी
नाम आपके पटिशन में लिखा है ना साहिबजादा
petitioner जो है साहबजादा वो head of the
सर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हेड हैं. जी. नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी.
अच्छा, इनका क्या कोई इलेक्शन होता है? पार्लियामेंट्री हेड का क्या प्रोसीजर होता है? हाउ डू यू डिटर्मिन इन अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हु इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री हेड?
I think
Party head, how do you do it?
I think there's an internal election.
Do you have to notify? Does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that. The
You have
answer
to
to
inform
that.
the speaker. What do you do?
You of course inform the speaker, sir, but I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No. I'm saying it's simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टीज का बताया हमें. दूसरा टर्म है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
सर आर्टिकल 17 में भी है और
63A में भी है.
63A में भी है पार्टी हेड.
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी लिखा हुआ है इसमें.
नहीं सर, आगे जाके पार्टी हेड है.
head भी है.
अगर आप देखिएगा
पार्टी हेड भी है.
बी में पार्टी हेड का जिक्र है.
Political party head.
He may be declared in writing by the party head. इसी में 63A में ही है ये.
कौन है पार्लियामेंट्री?
पार्लियामेंट्री लीडर हमने मुकर्रर किया. मैं पूछ आंसर को
पार्टी एंड दी पार्टी हेड दोनों लिखा हुआ है. और इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है पार्टी हेड मींस.
उसका नोटिफिकेशन हमने भेज दिया.
फैसल साहब
जी.
एक्सप्लेनेशन में पार्टी हेड मींस एनी पर्सन बाय व्हाटएवर नेम कॉल्ड डिक्लेयर्ड एज सच बाय द पार्टी.
जी.
ये इसी में 60
जी.
में है.
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था इट्स द ओनली.
No, so from one I've deleted the word political.
जी.
Let's frame the questions correctly. And two, I've also deleted the word political. Correct?
जी ठीक.
In 4, it says party. Should I add the word political?
No,
should I add the word parliamentary?
So in 4
Yes, you just say party. What shall I add
जी
before
आप
that?
पॉलिटिकल ऐड कर दें सर.
Political add करें.
जी.
ठीक.
और नंबर 3 में ठीक है सर.
And is there any reason why some are capitalized and one some are non?
No, there's no reason, sir. जी.
Faisal Saab,
जी,
is
sir.
it possible that there is a parliamentary party
जी.
without there being a political party?
I don't think
So a political party essentially is a precondition for a parliamentary
Yes,
party.
yes.
Any political party that is in the assembly
Yes,
will be a parliamentary party.
yes, yes.
What is the difference between the political party and parliamentary party?
Sir, you can have a political, अगर एक political party elections contest नहीं करती,
एक पार्टी ने कंटेस्ट की है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी मौजूद है, उनकी पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी भी है, तो दोनों अलग क्यों है?
सर क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल में अलग है इसलिए
ख्याल की बात है, उसके भी 63 में आंसर है
नहीं।
कि जो भी डिसीजन होते हैं पार्लियामेंट के अंदर वो पार्लियामानी पार्टी खुद डिसाइड करती है। जो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन देना होता है पार्लियामानी पार्टी नहीं देती, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं देती
जी।
उसी बेशक उसी पार्टी से हो।
जी, आप
द
बिल्कुल
मेन डिफरेंस इज दैट
जी, जी।
द पार्लियामानी पार्टी decides whatever they decide, and if any candidate violates that decision, go against that decision, he will be defected under section article 63. Once he is defects, then the party head, वहाँ पे party head आ जाता है, can move a reference against, और वो reference पर speaker और वहाँ से होते होते ये वो सारा दोनों का difference है। यानी अगर party head कह दे कि आपने फ्लॉ को वोट देना है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के उसमें, the parliamentary party is not bound. वो मान तो सकते हैं लेकिन पाबंद नहीं है कि माने। ये शायद जो मैं समझाऊं
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं और 63A में ही ये डिस्टिंक्शन है। यू विल नॉट फाइंड द वर्ड पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी एनीवेयर एल्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एज फार एज आई
दिस इज द डिफरेंस।
यस,
चलो आगे चलें।
यस। सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस। अब सर आपने स्पेसिफिकली पूछा था नंबर 2 के हवाले से।
ये आपने लिखा है फाइल द नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स एंड द लिस्ट ऑफ कैंडिडेट। कैन यू कीप रिफरिंग व्हिच पेजेस विल फाइंड दिस ऑन?
अगर
2 में ये नॉमिनेशन
अगर नंबर 1 मैं क्योंकि
ये बताइए कि जो प्रोविजन दैट वी आर कंसीडरिंग 51
जी
उसमें क्या, व्हाट डज दैट रेफर टू?
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है सर।
पॉलिटिकल
जी जी
क्यों है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी? इसमें पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी क्यों नहीं है?
जी
क्यों? रीजन इज इस वक्त तक पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी इज नॉट येट कम इनटू
यस यस
एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज इस वक्त तक मेंबर्स ने वोट नहीं लिया। मेंबर्स वोट लेंगे तो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी will come into existence.
जी जी।
So I think we need to focus on political party. Parliamentary party.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस की समाअत इस वक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जारी है। गुज़श्ता समाअत पर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान जस्टिस काजी फाइज ईसा ने कहा था, हकीकत ये है कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल ने इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ा और अब इस केस की समाअत इस वक्त जारी है। सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस की समाअत सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जारी है।